Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Starling Bank business accounts. Yes, you can open a business account with Starling Bank. They offer accounts for a variety of business types, including limited companies, limited liability partnerships, and sole traders. The application process is done entirely through their mobile app. There are some eligibility requirements you need to meet. For a limited company or LLP, all people with significant control must be UK residents and individuals, not other companies. All directors with account access must also be UK residents. The business must be registered in the UK at Companies House. When you apply, you'll need to provide documents that verify your business activity, such as signed contracts, business licenses, or bank statements showing your business transactions. If you don't already have a personal Starling account, you'll also need a form of ID and may need proof of address. Starling offers a free business account with no monthly fees, and they also have additional paid features like their business toolkit and multi-currency accounts for those who need them. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.